Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your user account in Windows 10 very easily. For this, you need to move on search bar and type here settings. After typing settings, click open settings. In setting menu, click this account section. Open accounts. In account section, you will have an option of family and other users. Open family and other users, and here all of your accounts will mention. Open the account you want to remove or delete. Click this remove option. Delete account and data. It asking you, are you sure you want to delete your account and data? This will also delete all the data of your account. Click delete account and data option. It will take a while and delete your user account. Your account has been successfully deleted from your laptop. So that was the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.